Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase SpaceX stock on Charles Schwab. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Charles Schwab website right here at schwab.com, and this is going to greet you with this main page. From this home page we can get started. If you're using your mobile phone, you can download the application to your mobile phone and open it up, but the same process is going to go this way. You're first going to go and log into your account. So if you do not already have an account, you can click the open an account option. This is going to take you to the next page where you can get started with creating an account if you need one, and once you've done that we can get started logging in. You can go ahead and log in, and once you have logged in, now we can get started purchasing stocks. So as you can see here, we have all the options, and what we're going to use is this search bar right here in the upper right corner. Once you open up the search bar, you can search for SpaceX. So we are going to go ahead and search for SpaceX, click enter to go ahead and fill the results, and now we're going to see all the results for SpaceX on Schwab. And here we can go ahead and take a look at the results. So currently, if you're interested in IPOs, you can learn how to find upcoming IPOs, and currently SpaceX is not public, so it is only open to private investors in this round. So once it goes public, you're going to go and be able to buy the stocks on Charles Schwab, and you can find out how right here by clicking this article and taking a look at the step-by-step instructions to use the market and get started trading once it goes public directly right here on the website. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.